Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL RT8 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application, press three dots on the right corner and there scroll down and tap on settings, where we have our password manager, and there we can manage our Google passwords, maybe to our booking account. To do that, we click on there. Now we must enter connect pin, our look screen to get access to that. In it we can copy our email, username, copy our passwords, or after we press edit, we can edit it, we can add something or delete, we can change, or we can add notes. After you change something, you must press save to save it. Or after we press this icon, our smartphone device show us password which remember. You can also delete what your smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.